Hi, this is Bommi Vikas from Computer Science Department. Today I am dealing with the exercise 6 of Java using interface. In this I am creating a develop an application in Java for automating the bank operations using interfaces. Create an interface called accountable which contains the functions such as deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry. Create a savings account, the class and the current accounts are both which implements the accountable interface. Perform the menu driven operations like deposit, withdraw, balance inquiry and test the class. Now we are doing this thing in Eclipse. In the Eclipse, first we are creating an interface accountable. And inside the interface accountable interface, we are giving the functions void deposit, void withdraw, and void balance inquiry. The interface is basically like abstract class. So first I am creating a class like saving account. In the inheritance we will use extends, but in the interface we are using implements. So saving accounts, implements, accountable. Next I am creating another class as current account, implements, accountable. Next the casual class is text. Now in the implements accountable I gave it as an interface. So these three class will be already implements in this saving account, but I have to give like public class name and the public class name and the public other class name. So when I am giving here also I want to give all the three function names, because in the inheritance we can give in one class and already it will be inherited. Those functions will be inherited in the next class, and those two functions will be inherited in the next class, but the interface is different than from the inheritance. So in the class accountable I am giving the first function is void deposit. In the void deposit I am creating a object. In the object I am printing that enter the amount that you want to deposit. Already 500 will be 1000 will be deposited. That I created a variable as into money beforehand is 1000. If you are giving any of your depositing any extra, that will be added here. Like that void withdraw, or when they are withdrawing already 5000 will be in withdraw. No money will be given. Whatever the money you can withdraw, you can withdraw. Next balance inquiry. The balance inquiry will say how much money is there. Next we are going for current account. In the current account, in the saving account we give 1000, but in the current account we are giving 5000. Already 5000 will be, it will show like already 5000 is there. If you want any add any extra money, you can add. And same function like withdraw and balance inquiry. Now in the test class I am giving the menu like enter the choice whether it is saving accounts or it is current account or you want to exit. And after that I am using if else loop and while loop. While I am giving the option like enter plus 1, it will enter plus 1, it will go whether I have to choose deposit option or withdraw option or check balance option or exit option, like that. So that I am using the switch case. In the switch case it will show deposit or withdraw or balance inquiry. The object automatically will take there and it will show. If else loop is giving for whether I want to go for saving account or current account. So second if else loop is it will go for current account, and the current account also all these three objects will be initialized and it will show. This is the program. Now we are going to see the output. To showing to enter the so mine is saving account. Enter the, if I want to deposit, I want to create one. Already 1000 will be automatically there in the ATM. I am creating 50,000. So already it will be deposited. Now I want to check my balance. Giving 3. My balance is 51,000. If I want to withdraw, I can give option 2. I want to withdraw 500 rupees. Now I have now I withdrawn 500 rupees. Now my balance is, before balance is 51,000. Now I withdraw 500, so it is 50,500. Thank you.